Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce the GoT Ideas extension. This is a tool where AI doesn't just generate ideas, it refines and synthesizes them into structured idea graphs. The AI actively organizes, connects, and sharpens ideas into something you can actually work with. This extension is free for basic features and available on Google Antigravity, which is also currently free. Using the extension is simple. There are only 3 steps. Step 1. Install a workflow with a single click. Step 2. Enter a topic or question for the AI agent. Step 3. Click Input/Auto. That's it. After a short moment, you'll see many ideas generated. Then the AI refines those ideas, synthesizes multiple perspectives, and produces a structured flow of thought. For example, I input the question, how can humans and artificial general intelligence coexist harmoniously once AGI is created? At the draft stage, the AI produces ideas like these. Education evolution. Education should shift from rote learning toward uniquely human abilities, such as philosophical reasoning and creativity. Cultural integration. AGI should be designed with empathy and social awareness to integrate into human culture as a trusted partner. The merger. Humans and AGI may eventually merge through brain-computer interfaces, forming a single enhanced intelligence. Next, the system automatically generates critiques. Education, AGI learning faster than humans adapt, risks mass unemployability. Culture, simulated empathy risks manipulation and human isolation. Merger, integration risks erasing identity and creating biological inequality. Finally, the agent synthesizes everything into a single, refined idea. The AI now proposed a hybrid civilization where humans remain the decision-makers, supported by AI, not replaced by it. Through non-invasive cognitive augmentation, AGI expands human judgment instead of competing with it. It operates transparently as a non-human partner and is provided as a public utility to prevent inequality. In this model, AGI functions as society's nervous system, while humanity retains its role as the moral and executive core. This idea is substantial and deep. I've prepared many workflows for business, research, and creative thinking. All of them are downloadable. GoT Ideas extension doesn't replace thinking. GoT Ideas extension leverages your thinking, powered by AI.
Check the link in the description.